और इसी बीच सीधे लिए चलते हैं आपको जयपुर स्थित सीतापुरा के जेईसीसी, जहां पर मध्य प्रदेश के मुख्यमंत्री डॉक्टर मोहन यादव पहुंचे हैं। साथ ही मौजूद हैं राजस्थान के डिप्टी सीएम प्रेमचंद बैरवा।
Ladies and gentlemen, can we please put our hands together and welcome each and everyone who have put an effort and come here to make this event a successful one today. आपको कभी भी ऐसा यूट्यूब में रखना
और आप तस्वीरें देख रहे हैं जयपुर स्थित जेईसीसी की, जहां पर एमपी के सीएम डॉक्टर मोहन यादव पहुंचे हैं। जयपुर में आयोजित हो रहा है डिजी फेस्ट, जिसका आज दूसरा दिन है। इससे पहले पूर्व केंद्रीय मंत्री स्मृति ईरानी भी यहां पर पहुंची और अब मध्य प्रदेश के मुख्यमंत्री डॉक्टर मोहन यादव पहुंचे हैं। डिजी फेस्ट और टाई ग्लोबल समिट का कल विधिवत शुभारंभ किया गया। आज दूसरा दिन है। इससे पहले केंद्रीय मंत्री स्मृति ईरानी ने
हमारे विचारों में स्पष्टता, हमारे प्रयासों में ऊर्जा और हमारे संकल्पों में उत्साह भर दे। मैं माननीय मुख्यमंत्री महोदय व मंच पर आसीन सभी अतिथिगण से निवेदन करती हूं कि वे दीप प्रज्वलन कर आज के इस कार्यक्रम की शुरुआत करें। May I request all the dignitaries to please join in. Thank you to all dignitaries for doing the honors and beginning this beautiful session. Ladies and gentlemen, Madhya Pradesh transformation into a Tier 2 technology powerhouse is anchored in policy clarity, execution discipline and strong institutional capacity. To present the state's technology and innovation roadmap, I invite Shri Sanjay Dubey, Additional Chief Secretary, Department of Science and Technology, Government of Madhya Pradesh. Ladies and gentlemen, can we please put our hands together and welcome Mr. Dubey right here, who will take us through the roadmap.
Honorable Chief Minister of Madhya Pradesh, Dr. Mohan Yadav ji, Honorable Deputy Chief Minister of Rajasthan, Shri Bairwa ji, Honorable Chief Minister of Madhya Pradesh, Dr. Mohan Yadav ji, Honorable Deputy Chief Minister of Rajasthan, Shri Bairwaji, honorable guests on the dais and off the dais. I am here to present the story of Madhya Pradesh, why it is important for industry to consider Madhya Pradesh as a destination if they are considering any of the expansion or any new development in the sites. As we move from development of next phase, our cities like Indore, cities like Pune, Hyderabad, other places which you can see it, Mumbai, Bangalore, they were the leaders which led the growth of IT and IT sector in India. But now the things are changing and the map looks different than what it used to be. It's now the tier 2 cities which are leading the growth, and that growth has to come from tier 2 cities. And I'm here to suggest that if anybody is interested in setting up the business in IT sector, if they are considering that they need to expand into second location, then they have to seriously look at tier 2 cities, which includes Jaipur, which includes Indore, which includes Bhopal. And why it is important for everybody to consider that is what I need to show it to you. As we know that approximately about 15% of workforce in all of these bigger towns, which is Chennai, Bangalore, Pune, Calcutta, Delhi, they come from tier 2 cities. They would definitely love to come back and work in their own places, and that is why the challenge which used to be earlier there for the talent and other pool, that is no more existent. There are already presence of around 200 plus GCCs in these tier 2 cities, and more than 80 SEZs which are possibly into these cities, and it creates a lot of positive impact to the industry in terms of cost, in terms of